English Unit 4, Poem 30, A Book Speaks. Students, let us read the poem first. When you drop me on the floor, I get stepped on. My sides are sore. Torn out pages make me groan. I feel dizzy if I am thrown. Every mark and every stain on my covers gives me pain. Please don't bend me. If you do, I don't want to talk to you. But we will both be friends together if you protect me from the weather and keep me clean so that I look a tidy, neat and happy book. So students, after reading this book, I personally think poet here, it is the book itself. What do you think? Yes, it is the book itself. The book is speaking. To whom? The book is speaking to you. The book is speaking to you, students. You use notebook, you use textbook, you use workbooks, you use so many journals, storybooks, so many things you use. Yes or no? So, the book is talking to you. The book is speaking to you. That is why the poem's name is A Book Speaks. So, the book is saying to you to look after it neatly and carefully. How? Yes, in a poetic way. So, let us read 2 lines each and understand what are the feelings of a book when you use it carelessly. Okay, so let us begin. When you drop me on the floor, I get stepped on. My sides are sore. Explanation. The book says, when you put me down on the floor or when you throw me here and there, intentionally or unintentionally, you and other people stamp on me. Stamp on me means to put leg on something very hardly. So what happens? The book get hurt. The book's sides starts paining. The book feels the pain when you put your leg on it. When you throw the book here and there, the book feels pain. The book get hurt. Yes, students, you do this at home, at school also. So, reading again, when you drop me on the floor, I get stepped on. Meaning of stepped on, to move on top of something. To walk. I will say here, when we are using the term book, I will say you walk on the book. Intentionally, unintentionally, you walk on the book. You throw the book here and there. Yes or no? So, meaning of stepped on means to move on top of something. When you drop me on the floor, I get stepped on. My sides are sore. So, students, I hope these 2 lines are clear to you. Next lines. Torn out pages make me groan. I feel dizzy if I am thrown. Explanation. The book says when you tear the pages from the book or when the book is torn, book feels like crying. Book feels like it is losing its balance. When you throw the book here and there, it get hurt. Maybe it get hurt on his head. Yes or no? So, it feels dizzy. It feels like it is losing its balance. So, I am reading it again. Torn out pages make me groan. I feel dizzy if I am thrown. Meaning of groan. Make a deep sad sound conveying pain. Make a deep sad sound conveying pain. It's like ah. Yes, when you fall, when you get hurt, when you get hit on your head or on your nose, how you sound? Ah, I got hurt, like that. So, I feel dizzy if I am thrown. Meaning of dizzy, to lose one's balance. So, students, I hope these 2 lines are clear to you. Next lines. Every mark and every stain on my covers gives me pain. Explanation. The book says when you spill food or water or any other things over me, mark and stains are left behind on me. Mark and stains are left on me. On me means it may be either on the covers of the book or in the inside pages. Either on the covers or inside the pages, the marks and stains are left. Then what you do when some curry fell on your paper? What you do? You start tearing the pages. You don't want to tell your parents that something fell on your book. So what you will do? You will tear pages, everything in the classroom, and you will throw it in the classroom's dustbin. And when you go home, what you will say? Either you lost your book, or either it is with your teacher, or you will say the book is finished, I need a new book. Yes or no? So how the book feels? The book feels really sad. The book feels bad. Book says every mark and every stains on my cover gives me pain. The book feels bad. Why? Because you are not looking after your books. So students, I hope these two lines are clear to you. Meaning of stain, mark that is not easily removed. Meaning of stain, marks that is not easily removed. So let me read it again. Every mark and every stain on my covers gives me pain. I hope these two lines are clear. Next line, please don't bend me. If you do, I don't want to talk to you. Explanation, the book is requesting you by saying, please don't bend me. If you do so, I will not talk to you, or I don't want to talk to you. So, please don't bend me. If you do so, I don't want to talk to you. Yes, you might be smiling when you are reading this line. Huh? Does the book talk? Yes, the book speaks. Everything has feelings, students. Not only living things, but non-living things too has feelings. You can see such type of cartoons also. Like I remember one cartoon, Doraemon's cartoon. In that there is one character, Nobita. He never studies. So one day the book starts hating him. The rubber starts hating him. The pencil starts hating him. Why? Because he roughly uses everything. So the pencil starts scolding him. The rubber starts scolding him one day. And Nobita is surprised. He asked Doraemon that, does non-living thing have feelings? Doraemon says, yes. Even the book has feeling. The pencil you use has feeling. The rubber you use has feeling. So, always use your thing carefully. Nothing is for free, students. Nothing is for free. For everything you need to give money, then only you can buy those things. Yes or no? So everything, whether it is living thing or non-living thing, everything has its feeling, has its own value. It is up to you how you look after it. So the book here is telling you, I am reading it again, please don't bend me. If you do, I don't want to talk to you. So I hope these two lines are clear to you. Next line, but we will both be friends together if you protect me from the weather. Explanation, the book says, if you protect me from weather, we can be friends together. What does that mean? What does that line mean? Protect me from weather. Any idea? It means the book says, protect me from rain. If you don't use umbrella or raincoat during rainy season, what will happen to your book? What will happen to your bag? They will get wet, yes or no? Yes, they will get wet. You can't even open the single page also, because all the pages are wet, so they are sticked to each other, yes or no? So the book is telling you, we will always be friends together if you protect me from the weather. Yes or no? So I am reading these lines again. But we will both be friends together if you protect me from the weather. Even the book wants to protect itself from weather, from rainy season. Yes or no? Yes. So students, I hope these two lines are clear to you. Let us read the last line. And keep me clean so that I look a tidy, neat and happy book. Explanation. The book finally says, always keep me clean so that I look a tidy, neat and happy book. Keep me clean so that I look a tidy, neat and happy book. It means always use me neatly. Do not touch me with your dirty hands. Do not touch me with your oily hands. Yes or no? If there is no cover on me, Please put a brown cover on me and always keep me neat. Always keep me safe. Always keep me tidy. In this way, I will look a happy book. Yes or no? Teacher always tell you, students, cover your book and come tomorrow. I will give you marks. Sometime teacher says, it's been 6 months now. I can see none of the child has covered their books. Why? You doesn't like your book? Teacher says these things in the class? Yes. Here the book is also telling you that keep me clean so that I look a tidy, neat and happy book. So what you have to do? You have to cover your books. You have to staple it. You have to put a sticker on it. Write your name neatly. In this way, do not spill anything on the book. Yes or no? Keep it neatly in the shelf, in the rack or inside your book. Never throw your book. Why? Because even the book has feelings. So I am reading it again. And keep me clean so that I look a tidy, neat and happy book. So students, I hope these lines are clear to you. Let us read the poem once again. Poem 30, a book speaks. When you drop me on the floor, I get stepped on. My sides are sore. Torn out pages make me groan. I feel dizzy if I am thrown. Every mark and every stain on my covers gives me pain. Please don't bend me. If you do, I don't want to talk to you. But we will both be friends together if you keep me from the weather. If you protect me from the weather and keep me clean so that I look a tidy, neat and happy book. Thank you.